tutorial on balancing chemical equations. Today, we'll be working with the reaction between potassium and water to form potassium hydroxide and hydrogen gas. Let's start by writing out our unbalanced equation. We have K plus H2O yields KOH plus H2. Now let's recount our atoms. On the left side, we now have 2 potassium atoms for hydrogen atoms and 2 oxygen atoms. On the right side, we have 2 potassium atoms for hydrogen atoms, 2 from H2 and 2 from 2KOH, and 2 oxygen atoms. Great! We can see that all atoms are now balanced on both sides of the equation. Our final balance equation is 2K plus 2H2O yields 2KOH plus H2. Let's visualize this reaction using simplified molecular models. On the reactant side, we have 2 potassium atoms and 2 water molecules. These react to form 2 potassium hydroxide molecules and 1 hydrogen molecule. In summary, we've balanced the chemical equation for the reaction between potassium and water. Remember, the key to balancing equations is to ensure that the number of atoms of each element is the same on both sides of the arrow.